Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight bulb. First, ensure you have the correct replacement bulb, typically an H11, along with a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine for safety. Then, open the hood and identify the headlight assembly that requires attention. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now let's get to removing the headlight assembly. You'll find two 10mm bolts at the top of the assembly. Use your socket wrench to remove them. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It's held in place by a few clips, so a gentle but firm pull should release it. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab. With the headlight assembly free, you can now access the bulb. Twist the base of the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out, being careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb and the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips, ensuring it's seated properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Remember to check the description below for links to great deals on reading devices and other helpful products.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.